Linear equations in one variable. The concept is related to algebraic expressions, which means a combination of constants and variables using the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. When we have two such algebraic expressions combined with the help of equality sign, then it is called as algebraic equation. Say x plus y whole square is one algebraic expression equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is also another algebraic expression. So when we combine using equality, this becomes an algebraic equation. Now if we see this particular equation, we have two variables, one is x and the other one is y, which means it's a equation in two variables, but we need equations in one variable. For that, we have to consider something like x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to x square minus 1. Here we have only one variable, that is x, but if we look into this here, the highest power of x is 2. When we have an algebraic expression with power 1, the highest power is 1, then only it is called as linear equation. If the power is 2, it is quadratic equation. For 3, it is called as cubic equation and so on. Under this concept, we need only the linear equations which are in one variable. And we need only linear equation means the highest power of x can be only 1. Now, this is an algebraic equation with highest power of x as 1. Here, the variable can be anything. Even y plus 5 is equal to 7 is also an algebraic equation with one variable, and it is also linear. Variable can be anything, but it can be only one in that equation, and even the power of that variable has to be 1. The highest power has to be 1. These sort of things are called as linear equations. Now, when we have this, there would be a particular value of x for which the equation holds good. The entire portion that is towards the left of the equation is called as left hand side, and towards the right of the equal to sign is called as right hand side. These two things can be equal only for a certain value of x, which is nothing but the solution for that particular equation. We'll see how to find solution of an equation. Consider the value to x minus 3 equal to 7. This is an algebraic equation. Here again we have only one variable, and even the power of this variable is 1. When we don't mention anything in the power, it means 1. How to find the solution of this? We will do certain arithmetic operations on both sides of the equation so that the balance of the equation doesn't miss. Whatever we are doing on the left hand side, same operation has to be done on the right hand side as well. As we have to find the value of x, we will try to eliminate all other things on this particular algebraic expression so that only x remains on this left hand side. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. First thing is we have to eliminate this minus 3. For that, we will add 3 on either side to 7 plus 3. Now 3 will get eliminated. And the resultant is 2x equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10. Now we have to eliminate this 2. 2x means 2 into x. So to eliminate something in multiplication form, we have to divide this. So this particular portion is divided by 2. Same has to be done on the other side also. Now 2 will get eliminated. X is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. X equal to 5 is the solution for this particular equation. To validate that, we can just substitute the value of x in the 2x minus 3 and check it. So when x equal to 5, 2 into 5 minus 3, that is 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3 equal to 7. This value is nothing but whatever we have on the right hand side of this, which means x equal to 5 is the correct solution for this particular equation. And this is the case when we have a linear equation on one side of equality and number on other side of the equality. There can be another case like linear equation on both sides of the equality. Now we'll see how to solve such equations. Consider this. Now instead of a numerical value here, we are keeping another linear equation, that is x plus 2. In a such a case, first we have to consider the numerical quotient of x and see which side has got a larger value. Here on left hand side, if we see this is 2 is the quotient, on right hand side it is 1. So we'll try to eliminate all the values from the left hand side and retain x. For that, first we have to eliminate this minus 3. We'll add plus 3 on both sides of this equation. This we can eliminate 3. It is 2x equal to x plus 2 plus 3 is 5. Now here we have 2x, but we need only 1x, for which we will subtract 1x from this 2x minus x. The same thing has to be done on the other side of the equation as well. So minus x. Here x and x will get cancelled out. 2x minus x is nothing but x. X equal to 5 is the solution for this equation. We can check this by substituting the values on both left hand side and right hand side. We take the left hand side, 2x minus 3. In place of x, if we keep 5, then 10 minus 3 is 7. This is towards the left hand side. Now when we take the right hand side of the equation, that is x plus 2. In place of x 5, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. We can see here the values are same. This is how we'll solve the algebraic equations.